Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Place the Apple Watch face down on a soft cloth so you avoid scratches, and have the replacement band beside it. Once positioned, press and hold one of the small release buttons at the end of the watch body, then slide the band sideways out of the groove. You'll feel a small give when it disengages. Do the same on the other side. This prevents damage and explains why a steady press matters. Pressure releases the latch mechanism cleanly. Once both old halves are off, align the replacement band pieces with the rails. Short half goes on the top, long half on the bottom because of buckle orientation. Slide each piece straight into the groove. Keep even pressure and you'll hear or feel a click that confirms the latch engaged. If your band has a magnetic or loop closure, make sure it faces the correct direction for wearing. This alignment prevents accidental releases and explains why orientation matters for comfort and security. Finish by strapping the watch on and giving each band a firm tug to confirm it's locked. You should feel no movement. Once secure, adjust length or reposition the clasp or loop for a snug, comfortable fit so sensors sit flush against your wrist. If a band won't slide out, depress the release button fully and retry. If still stuck, use a thin plastic pick to ease the rail. Do not force metal tools because you risk scratching or bending the connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.